Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for BMO Business Credit Card, designed to help you navigate the world of business financing with confidence. As a business owner, having the right credit card can be a valuable tool for managing expenses, earning rewards, and building credit. First, understand the benefits of a BMO Business Credit Card, which include cashback rewards, travel points, and purchase protection. Choose a card that aligns with your business needs and spending habits to maximize rewards and minimize fees. Next, consider the importance of credit score and history when applying for a BMO Business Credit Card. A good credit score can qualify you for better interest rates and higher credit limits. So it is essential to check your credit report and work on improving your score if necessary. To get the most out of your BMO Business Credit Card, set a budget and track your expenses to ensure you are staying within your means. Take advantage of rewards programs by using your card for everyday business purchases, such as office supplies, travel, and equipment. Another key tip is to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and late fees. If you cannot pay the full balance, make timely payments and consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Additionally, be aware of foreign transaction fees, interest rates, and other charges associated with your BMO Business Credit Card. Read the terms and conditions carefully and ask questions if you are unsure about any aspect of your card. Finally, monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to BMO immediately. By following these tips and best practices, you can use your BMO Business Credit Card effectively, manage your finances efficiently, and grow your business with confidence.